Good morning, children. I hope everyone are fine, right? So, last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ? In last class, I given us some homework. That is a multiply by breaking up the numbers, right? So, how to? I hope everyone understood how to do that breaking up number, multiply and breaking up number. So here we'll start with today we'll start with the exercise number 3.1. Okay, we'll start with the exercise number 3.1. In that, first main, what is the first main question here? Multiply by breaking up the number. Okay, so multiply by breaking up the number. How to do that one? See here, first 8 1, 14 into 3. Okay, I told usually we have to break up the bigger number. Bigger number ne break up ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ number ನ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, so 14 is a bigger number. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ break up ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇವಾಗ? 10 plus 4 ಅಂತಾನೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, 7 plus 7 ಅಂತಾನೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 8 plus 6 ಅಂತಾನೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, okay, so break up the numbers and multiply. How to break up number here? Let us see here. 14 into 3 is the right. So 14 into 3 means you have to do here 14. Break up the 14. That is a 10 plus 4 or 7 plus 10 or 8 plus 6 like that. Okay. So I am taking the 10 plus 4 into 3. Okay. First multiply with the 3 number. 10 into 3 plus 10 into 4. Next, sorry, 4 into 3. Okay. So 10 into 3 is a 30 plus 4 into 3 is 12. What is the answer? 42. Answer is 42. Next problem. Do the next problem. 7 into 8. B is 1. 7 into 8. 7 into 4 plus 4. I am taking. Okay. So 7 into 4 first. After that 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28 plus 7 4s are 28. Add 28 plus 28 what? That is 56. Okay. Next do this seed problem. What is the seed one they given? 6 into 9. Bigger number is which one? 9 is a bigger number. ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ? Break up ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ? 6 plus 3 or else 5 plus 4. Okay. So I am taking here a 5 plus 4. 6 into 5 first. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 6 into 4. So 6 into 5 answer is 30. 6 into 4 24. Here answer is 54. Answer is 54. Okay. So next one, 15 into 4. 15 into 4. Okay. D is 1. 15 into 4. 15 is a bigger number. Now we have to break up here. That is 8 plus 7 into 4. Okay. 8 plus 7 how much? 8 plus 7 it is a 15. Okay. So break up that one here. 8 into 4 first. 8 into 4 plus 7 into 4. 8 into 4 is 32. Okay. Next 7 into 4 is 28. Now add here. That is a 20, 60. Answer is 60. Okay. 15 4 is how much? 60, right? Okay. Next go for the next problem. 12 into 6. 12 into 6. Okay. That is a which one? Yeah, each one 12 into 6. 12. Now we have to break up the 12 number. Break up the 12 number means that is a 6 plus 6. Okay, 6 plus 6 into 6. Here 6 into 6 plus 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. Here also 6 6 are 36. Now add and write, that is 72. What is the answer? 12 into 6 is 72 is the answer. This is the doing a multiplication by breaking up the number. Number ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ number na break up ಮಾಡಿ multiply ಮಾಡೋ method ಇದು. Okay, I hope everyone understood. Okay, in the last class only I explained everything. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೂಡ explain ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು homework ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ by breaking number how to do the multiplication ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Okay, ನೀವು ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 3.1 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನು ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, understood everything? Okay, so first main completed in exercise number 3.1. Now we'll go for the second main. Double the 6 times table to find these products. Double the 6 time table. Okay, so how to do this one? Double the 6 time table means you have to write a first table. Okay, first one, second main, first problem. What is the first problem? That is 5 into 12 given. Okay, double the 6 time table. 6 time table means write first 5 table. 5 into 1 5, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 3 that is 15, 5 into 4 20, 5 into 5 25, 5 into 6 is 30. Okay, so they told double the 6 time table. That's why we have to write up to 6. 6 ವರೆಗೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 6 ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 6 ವರೆಗೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 7 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 7 ವರೆಗೂ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 8 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 8 ವರೆಗೂ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ದಿ 6 ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 6 ವರೆಗೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಡಬಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 30. ಡಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 30 ಗೆ 30 ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ. 30 ನ ಡಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, so 30 plus 30. What is the answer? 60. So here answer is 60. Okay, double the 6th time table to find the product. Okay, ಈ 6th table ಅನ್ನ ಡಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Like this we have to do. Double the 6th time table, we have to find the product. Product is 60. We need a double the 6th time table here. Okay, so go for the next problem, that is a 6 into 12. Okay, 6 into 12 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಈಗ 6 table ನ up to 6th ವರೆಗೂ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay, 6 into 12 second main. Okay, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. Next 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36. Double the 6th time table. Double the 6th time table means 36 plus 36. What is the answer? 72. So the answer is 72. 6 into 12, that answer is 12 here. Getting right? How to do this one? Double the 6th time table. Up to 6th time, you have to write the table. And what is the value for 6th table here? 36. Double means 36 plus 36. That is answer is 72. Add these two numbers. 72 will get. This is the product for given two values. 6 into 12 is 72. Like this you have to find the product. Okay. Next one is a 8 into 12. Write the 8 table. Everyone. Third one, 8 into 12 is given here. Write the 8th table. Third one, 8 into 12 they given 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, right? So what is the sixth table here? 8 6 the 48, right? So you have to double this value. Double means 48 plus 48. 48 plus 48. What is the answer? 48 plus 48. That answer is here 96. Right here. 12 eggs are 96. Double the sixth table and find the product. ಓಕೆ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಡಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಡಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದೇ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 48 plus 48 ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ 9 into 12 9 into 12 ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ 9 into 12 ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಓಕೆ 9 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು 9 6 the 54 54 plus 54 ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 108 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ next one is the third main. Go for the third main. 3.1. Go for the third main. Third main. Double the 9th times table. 9 times table. You have to double here. Double the 9 times table. 9 times table means in the second main 6 times table they given. 6 times table na ನಾವು double ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ ಟು 6 ವರೆಗೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೆದಿದ್ವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ ಟು 9 ವರೆಗೂ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬರೆದಿದೆ ಓಕೆ ಐ ಶೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 4 into 18 write the table 4 ones are 4 4 ones are 4 4 twos are 8 4 threes are 12 4 fours are 16 4 fives are 20 4 sixes are 24 4 sevens are 28 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are, sorry, up to this much only right. 9 table, 9 times table. 4 9 times tables, what is the number here? 36. Double this value. 36 plus 36. What is the answer? 72. So 18 fours are 72. Okay. So double the 9 times table to find the product. Okay. Write the 4 table up to 9. What is the value here? 36. So double it means 36 plus 36. That is 72 here. Answer is 72. Getting right what I am saying here? Okay. Okay. Fine. So next one is a 3 into 18. Now write the 3 into 18 means 3 table you have to write up to 9. 3 9s are 27. Till that you have to write. Beat 1. 3 into 18. Write the table. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. Next 3 6s are 18. 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27. Okay. This 27 is there right here. 27. 9 times table. What is the 9 times table here? 27. Double this means 27 plus 27. Do here. 27 plus 27. Answer is 54. So here 54 is the answer. Okay. Double the 9 times table. Double the 6 times table. Double the 5 times table. ಯಾವ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ 5 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ ಟು 5 ವರೆಗೂ ಬರೆದು 5 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು 9 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 9 ವರೆಗೂ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ 3 9s are 27 ಏನಿದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 27 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 27 ನ ಡಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 27 plus 27 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 54 like this we have to do double the times means ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನ okay so 3.1 another two problems do it yourself 7 into 18 and 2 into 18 ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ okay so 3.1 also completed now we'll go for the 3.2 3.2 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೀವು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. 3.2. ಓಕೆ, today we'll complete 3.2 also. Only how many problems are there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 problems are there. You have to do it with me. Okay, so 3.2 na ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. To the 3.2. 3.2 here. First one. What is the first problem here? 143 into 7. 143 into 7. That is 143 into 7. Do the multiplication fast. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus. Wait 1 second. Yeah. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1001 is the answer. Next, go for the second problem. What is the second problem? Sorry, this one is the 8th one. Now big one we are doing. 167 into 22. If we know the table 22 table, then multiply directly. Otherwise, by one number you have to do the multiplication. First, always we have to multiply with the ones place value, right? So start with these two. 2 7s are 14. 2 6s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Next, 2 7s are 14. 1 carry. 2 6 are 12. 13. Again 1 carry. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now add 4, 7 here, 6, 3. What is the answer? 3674 is the answer. Okay. So next go for the 6th problem. 111 into 15. 15 ones are 15. 15 ones are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 15 ones are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. What is the answer? 1665 is the answer. 1665 is the answer. Next go for the D problem. What is the D one here? 224. 224 into 18. Okay. See here. 18 4s are how much? 18 4s are 4 8 32. 4 is the 4. 18 4s are 72. Okay. So 18 4s are 72. 18 2s are 36. 36 plus 7 is 36 plus 7. That is 43. Right here 43. Next 18 plus 18 2s are 36. 36 plus 4 is 40. So what is the answer? 4032 is the answer. 4032 is the answer. Okay. Next go for the next problem. Each one. Do the eighth problem. 119 into 23. 3 9s are 27. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 5. 3 1s are 3. Now by 2. Multiply by 2 now. 2 9s are 18. 1 carry. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Again 2 1s are 2. 7. 8 plus 5 is 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Here 2. 2737 is the answer. 2737 is the answer. Okay. Next F problem. Go for the F1. That is a 654 into 14. 654 into 14. 14. Otherwise do it. 14 4s are how much? right? 14 5 is 70, 70 plus 5 is 75, 14 6 is 84, okay? 84 plus 7 is 91. What is the answer? 9156 is the answer. 9156 is the answer. Let's go for the G problem. 125 into 51. First one 5 2 1 plus 5 5 is 21, 2 carry. 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 1 carry. 5 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. Here 5, 5 plus 2 7, 2 plus 1 3, here 6. 6375 is the answer. Okay, next go for the H problem. What is the H1 given here? H1 321 into 11. 321 into 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. 22 plus 1 is 23. 11 threes are 33. 33 plus 2 is 35. Answer is 3531. 3531 is the answer. Okay. Let's go for the ith problem. What is the ith one? 234 into 16. Okay. So 16 fours are how much? 64. Okay. Sorry. 16 threes are how much? 48. 48 plus 6 is 54. 16 twos are 32. 32 plus 5 is 37. Sorry. See here. Answer is 3744. Okay. Do the last problem. That is the Jth one. What is the Jth question they given here? That is nothing but a 198 into 198 into 34. Okay. So 198 into 34. Here 3 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. And here plus 3 8s are 24. 2 carry. 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 2 is 29. Again 2 carry. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay. So what is the answer here? 2. 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus this is 17. And here 6. What is the answer? 6,732 is the answer. Okay, this is the last problem in 3.2. Okay, so finally we completed up to 3.2. Okay, in the next class we'll solve the 3.3. Okay, so homework is solve 3.1 and 3.2 in the HW. That is the homework for you. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you everyone.